Some travelers avoided the roads, but they were left in airports in long lines while trying to come home. That includes our own Caroline Hogan. Right now, there are still some delays and cancellations for flights departing KCI. Caroline, she made it home today, but she shows us what it took to get back.
Good morning, everyone. It's KSHB News reporter Caroline Hogan. It's 5:45 this morning. I'm at Dallas Love Field, hoping I can finally, after 3 days, get back home to Kansas City. So a little recap. I was supposed to get home on Saturday. That didn't happen. I was rescheduled on a Southwest flight yesterday. That didn't happen. I got rebooked onto the earliest flight to Kansas City this morning at 6:45. My flight was delayed 2 hours. I have already met a few people from Kansas City who've been stuck here like me the past few days.
Another night at a hotel was fine with me, but I mean, you can only do that so long.
We actually bumped our flight up to try to avoid being canceled. I'll feel good once we get on the plane and are in the air.
So our flight has gone from 8:45 takeoff to the Southwest app saying it was gone already to now a 7:45 takeoff.
Trying to get our crew here. Once we get our crew, I'll be able to get you guys on board. So
We are boarded. I've never been so happy to be on a plane in my entire life.
And from sun to snow, we made it home.
We want to be the first ones to welcome you to Kansas City. Congratulations. Some of you finally made it home.
At this point, I can't believe I actually made it home. My bag didn't, but hopefully it'll be on the next flight out of DFW. So this is where I leave you all. Reporting in Kansas City, finally, Caroline Hogan, KSHB 41 News.